How to message someone on Facebook dating profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about messaging someone on dating profile. So let's get started. Facebook offers a feature known as dating, which allows users to match with other profiles and communicate directly through the Facebook platform itself. So to make use of this feature, the first step is to open the Facebook app or the website. And once you're signed in, navigate to your profile section. And if you're in an area where the dating application or the feature has been rolled out, you will notice a specific section for the dating on your profile page. After you locate the dating section, tap on it to enter the dating feature. And here you will encounter a variety of profiles to explore. And you can scroll through these profiles to view different potential matches. And when you find someone you're interested in, simply click the like button to send a like to that person. So it's important to note that you can only initiate a conversation once the other person has liked you back, creating a mutual interest. When that happens, a button will appear that allows you to start chatting, and this will redirect you to the conversation page where you can send messages back and forth within the dating application. And that wraps up everything for today's video. For more tips and content like this, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your attention and keep watching for more helpful information.